Hello friend, today I have with me Casio keyboard model number WK3800. The problem with this, there's no power at all. It's completely dead. No light, no power. So let's open it and check what is the problem. After we have removed all the screws, we solder all the wires so that it will be easy to remove the circuit board. Before checking the power supply section, let's check first the power button. In this case, I will remove a few screws just to get it out the on-off button. Now I will take it out the on-off button. So here it is. It seems carbon contact have gone out. Let's paint with a new carbon ink.
And a half hours later.
Now it looks good as new. Let's put it back. Now we'll plug this adapter just for testing. Let's see if the power is coming or not. Let's on the power button. There it's coming. The reason here is just a 1-out carbon power button. So now let's fit it back. And resolder the wire as it is. fitted back the volume knob. Thank you for watching.